Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great and happy Friday. And we're here with another desk organization video. We're going into a second drawer of mine on my desk, so let's jump right in. Okay, friends, it is Friday, almost time for the weekend, so it's time to clean out and refresh that desk drawer, and we're going to do the essentials drawer today. And what I like to use is I like to use a surface cleaner from Laundress. It really smells fresh, and I tend to use this in my office to clean around my office, my home office, that is. Now, one thing that you can use to clean your desk drawers that I didn't share last week is one of these little kind of sponge poofs. They're great because sometimes it's hard to reach down in the back of a desk, especially depending on how it's made, and this really helps you to get back and get all of the dust and debris out of your desk. Because sometimes when we're opening and closing our desk, things can fall in, lint can fall in, dust comes. If you're eating lunch at your desk, you'd be surprised at how many times you'll find a little crumb in your desk from lunch. But it's always good on Fridays to at least take one of your desks and rotate. So last week we did my tech desk. This week we're doing my essentials desk drawer. And then next week we'll do my third drawer, which I'll show you next week, which is where I keep all of my kind of working tools. And so one thing I like to do is I like to think about the senses when I organize. So spraying a little scent in your desk is a wonderful way to give yourself a beautiful welcome when you go to open it on Monday morning. And so I just take some linen spray. You can even use perfume and just spray a few sprays in it. You can also spray a business card and leave that in the desk. That's a wonderful way to create a scent card. Or purchase a scent card and put it in the back of your desk or under your organizer. But you want to incorporate something that really is going to just make it a nice experience when you open that desk, especially this one in particularly because it is the essentials. It is probably the one that I open the most during any given work day. So this again is my office at home. So this is the desk that I have at home. Now I have the same organizers in here that I have in my tech drawer because of the way the desk is made. These organizers work perfectly. So I'm able to put two of these into one drawer, which gives me a great amount of space. And so you'll remember in the tech drawer, I only utilized one side because I needed that slightly open space for a notebook and book and things like that. But in this drawer, I really needed it because all of my essentials tend to be smaller grouped items. I really needed more of the caddies. I needed more of the compartments. And so by putting two organizers in here, that would really do the job for me. That would really make it work. And so remember, it looked like this in the tech drawer. I'll link that tech drawer organization video below, by the way, also. And so this is the second one. And what I do on Fridays is I take everything out of the cubbies and give it a nice wipe down. I cannot tell you how inspiring it is to come in on Monday morning and open your desk drawer and it's organized. It's saying to you, let's really do it this week. And it's just giving you a good kickoff to your work week. So I love taking this little bit of time to really kind of wind down too. To me, when you pull everything out and you wipe things down, it's something that you can do while you're sitting down and take all of 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll give you a break from looking at the computer monitor or being on that Zoom call. So it's a great way to end your Friday. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just giving myself a little time to just sit back, clean out my desk, along with it's prepping me for my new work week. So that's why I really wanted to do these desk organization videos in 3 weeks, because I wanted to really push that point of just really bringing the routine of organizing a drawer per week. Now to put my essentials back into my desk and tell you a little bit about what I keep in this drawer, one being the work phone. And the work phone is used for having those client sessions. It's for being able to send messages back and forth to businesses and teammates and things like that. And so I really keep it in this desk. I don't really carry this phone on me. I don't take it to the office with me. I usually just keep it here at my home office so that in the event that, I need to do a session on the go or anything like that, I can grab it, or I'm going on a project or anything like that, I can grab it. So it's not my highly used phone, but it is one that I do use when I'm catering it to work related things. And so it needs to stay, and it's not something that I keep in the tech drawer. I really keep it in my essentials drawer because I feel like it's one of those essentials that I like to have close to me. So that stays there. Then the next thing that I have in here is just this this little card that I got from Cloth and Paper. You all know how much I love Cloth and Paper and all of their stationery products. And so I need to put my updated one in here, but I just usually put one of their cards there. I have their subscription box, which I love, their stationery subscription box. And so I get all these neat little cards. And so I'm always having something fun to replace in that section there. And then I have these clamps, which are one of my favorites. If you've been with me over the years, you know you'll see these all the time. And the reason why I love these clamps is, one, because they function well. Two, because you can get them in so many different sizes. Three, because you can color code your paperwork with them. Like if you want to categorize things, you can get different color clamps to categorize them. I also love the fact that I can print labels on my label maker and stick on the clamp and make a kind of file, to do, urgent, little tabs using these clamps. So they're very versatile and I really love them. So the next section is where I keep those things like my perfume, aromatherapy, some things to kind of wake me up in the morning, along with lipstick for that Zoom call. And I have my stapler remover here too. So again, going back to those essentials. So one of my must-have are my glasses, my readers actually, and I try to keep as many around me as possible because I'm always sitting them somewhere and misplacing them. They always show back up because they're always around my environment, but I am good to walk out of the room and leave it on the counter, and so I have to have multiple pair. I have pairs in all kinds of spaces in my home for convenience purposes. Another thing that I have in my desk are sticky notes. I love my sticky notes for my planning purposes. I do not like sticky notes for reminders and placing all over my desk, but I do keep a journal on my desk in which I can put sticky notes on the inside so that I don't have to see that clutter, but most times you'll find them in my planner. And then here is an inspiration card that I got from Cloth and Paper, and when I organize my desk, whether it's, it doesn't matter if it's your tech desk, your essentials desk, or your tools, working tools desk, putting inspiration in there is what really motivates you to keep it in order, because when you open it, it just looks so beautiful. It looks so inspiring. You want to keep it that way. And so I always like utilizing these little cards that I get to complement the desk. And then I love these tab post-its that I got from Cloth and Paper. They're great for your planner, notebooks, and all kinds of things. And then in that section, I did put more little sticky notes there. Now, I love a nail clipper, and not only for nails. I love them because they're just a compact, convenient tool that will help me rip off tags, clip strings, clip my nails, and I use them even to open the packaging to my stationery products. You know how it has the cellophane on it? Oftentimes I'll grab these and I'll just rip it down, and so those really come in helpful. And so I always keep these in my desk also. Along with, I do keep some fingernail polish in here, and I like a nice neutral. I think that if you keep a nice neutral on hand, it would be great for those business meetings. It just goes with all of your outfits, and it's really just a great working nail polish color. Now, I do like these clamps. These are my favorite because when I'm working, I like to clip my bangs back. It just makes me more comfortable. And so when I buy these types of items, I make sure to coordinate them with my desk, with my office accessories. I try to keep a tone because, again, it helps me keep things in order because everything has a flow. And so because these are a lot of things, if one was purple, one was yellow, one was green, putting all of those colors together in a drawer, it can, even though they may have their own compartment, it will look like a lot and it'll look overwhelming, where I feel like when I open this drawer, it gives me a peaceful feeling because everything is kind of flowing in color. Although I have the essentials, I have my clamps, I have my lipstick, I have my glasses, I have my hair clamps, I even have my disc bound and my highlighters, but everything looks like it's a family, and it really helps with me keeping the organization in place. And I love these, by the way. These are absolutely beautiful. These are the ones that are the tortoise shell, and I can't wait to actually use them. I just recently got those not too long ago. And I also keep all of my disc bound in one section in this drawer. And friends, that is it. That is everything that I keep in my Essentials desk drawer. I want to say thank you so much for watching all of the content this week. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you're going into a wonderful weekend. If you're not subscribed to the At Work with Nikki family, I would love to have you as a part of the channel, so definitely click that subscribe button, and please click the bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. I tend to post videos Monday through Friday. So have a beautiful weekend, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.